my friends, welcome back to my channel. Consider subscribing and maybe like the video or let me a comment. Today I'm going to, it's Saturday, and today I'm going to meet some a Romanian couple actually that have just moved in Sweden. They asked me for a favor. I'm going to help them, and after that we're going to go have a coffee. I'm not sure if I'm going to feel comfortable to record them. I'm not sure about that. But if they are not going to agree with it, then I'm not going to do it. They have just moved here in Sweden from Norway. They are both chefs, and they had offer from a very known restaurant here in Sweden. So yeah, I'm going to try to help them today. It's a little bit, it's just nothing, but yeah. And after that we're going to drink a coffee or something. And yeah, I couldn't do any vlog this last week. I have been sick. How you can see, even my voice haven't come back yet. I had a sore throat. So, but I still have been to work. And yeah, I have been a little bit sick. I didn't have energy to record nothing, to make any video, any posts, nothing. And right now I'm in the car. I cannot fix my camera in front, here in front of the car, because I cannot put it. I have no position there, so I just have it on my rear seat, the seat on the right. So I hope it's all good from there. Guys, thank you for following me, thank you for being here for me. That means a lot for me, and let's see what this day brings us. I hadn't any plan for today to do a vlog, but I just took my camera and I said, oh, let's see what is going to happen. So let's see what's next.
Zici că mă hrănesc cu fum, am căutat un plat, dar vezi că nu l-am degeaba. Mai bine vezi să tu, stau în cuvântă un gol. Doamne, 700 de cai putere, și-am văzut pe milioane dolari, s-o numesc afere, în loc să am mari.
Yo! Unfortunately, I have met this couple, but I was shy to ask them if it's okay for me to film them, record them. So I didn't do that. We drink a coffee, I helped them with the thing that they needed, and now I just been to the store, and now I'm on my way home. It's not much that happens today, guys. I'm sorry that I have nothing to show you, but I want to show you why I don't have what to show you. It's because it's like this outside. It's rainy, it's ugly, it's 14:31, and it's like this. It's not much to do. It's not much what I could do, where I could go. But anyways, I'm glad that you're here, and that I could do this small little short video for you. Tomorrow, which Monday I'm going to upload a new video. I'm going to do a challenge, spicy challenge. It's spicy noodles 2 times or spicy noodles. I'm going to let a link in the description with my first challenge, with my first spicy noodles, but they were the first, how you call it, the first, they were not so spicy. These ones that I have now, it's the second one. It's 2 times spicier, and the first one was so spicy. So that's the first version, but this is the second version. It's very spicy. And tomorrow I'm going to upload this video with the challenge. I'm not sure if I'm ready because it's very spicy. So much at the input, at the output also very spicy when you go to the bathroom the second day. So spicy and painful. But I said, yeah, I need to do this because I like spicy food. Yeah, let me open the light, maybe it's better. Yeah, so I like spicy food. So I can't wait to do this challenge. It's a challenge for me also, because even if I eat spicy food, I don't want to repeat myself, but I eat the first version. It was so spicy, very spicy, and I did it with 2 friends. Now I'm by myself, and I'm gonna do it by myself. It's crazy, but I want to do it. I want to have this funny video for you guys. So now I'm just going home. It's not much to do. It's raining. I have planned from last week that I should go in the forest and do a video in the forest somewhere, but it's too muddy. It's not okay. It's not nice on the rain like this to go in the forest. I'll just be home. I'm going to be home. I think that's why so many Swedish people are depressive. It's because of the weather, you know. It's so much of the time it's dark outside. It gets darker. It gets dark at 3:30. It's dark outside, and it starts to get lighter next morning at around 8:30. Start to be light outside. So there is pretty maybe 5-6 hours light outside. It's not much. Keeping in mind that you go to work at 7 or 6 in my case, and you finish your work 3. Oh. Sorry, my camera have just I have been in a roundabout and the camera has just fallen down. I need to fix it now. I cannot. I'm also driving in the same time. It's chaos here. My car need to change the gear. So yeah, let's fix it here. Okay. Sorry guys. Yeah. So keeping in mind that you go to work at 6 or 7 and get out 3 or 4 afternoon, and it's again dark. You don't spend time, free time, on the light outside, on the daytime outside, because you are at work. It's just Saturday and Sunday. And if you have in the winter, for example, in the autumn and winter like this, rainy days, in a few weekends, you are you have not much to do. It's like now, what could I do now? It's nothing to do. It's just staying home, looking some movies, having some nice time maybe with the family, which I don't have here. And yeah, it's not much to do. It's not much to do. That's why I'm saying. That's why many Swedish people are in depression. Many, not just Swedish people, but most of the Swedish people are. But even people in how the years go, year by year, you start to get depressed because of the weather. You don't have this nice weather, you know, like at least sunny and snow or something like that, you know. It's just rainy all the time. And if it's not rainy, I mean, it's not all the time rain like in UK, but now in December should be minus degrees, but it's plus degrees, so this rain should be snow, but it's not because it's warm outside. So what to do, man? This is the life. We need to have to do sacrifices for a better life. You have good parts, you have bad parts, like any other countries, like any other humans, like anyone else. You need to accept it exactly how it is if you want, you know, a change in your life. So this is winter in Sweden. We wait for the snow and for the clear sky. But guys, thank you that you have just been here with me. It's not much I could show you. I feel sorry for that, but we see tomorrow for the spicy noodles challenge or 2. So keep it up, spread love, and see you. Bye.